Greetings to everyone watching from around the world. If you're new to the channel, a huge welcome to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always great to have you here. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and spread the word. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the topic. Your engagement means the world to me. And most importantly, click the subscribe button so you never miss an update from the channel. We're building something amazing here, and I want you to be part of it. Your support means a lot. And together, we're on the right path to better understanding the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Now, today I've got something special to talk about that's got the entire XRP community buzzing. We're going to dive deep into some major updates involving Ripple and XRP, and specifically we're going to cover some of the exciting comments made by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. He recently said that it's only a matter of time before XRP sees tremendous growth, and believe me, there are plenty of signs that point to this happening sooner than you think. So stick around to the end because we're going to break everything down. As always, just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. I'm just here to provide updates and insights into the crypto world, so make sure you do your research before making any financial decisions. Now let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the big news that's making waves in the crypto space right now. A few days ago, one of the leading cryptocurrency asset managers, Grayscale Investments, launched its first ever XRP trust. This is huge because Grayscale is a name we all know and trust in the crypto world. They manage massive amounts of assets, and their trust funds provide accredited investors with direct exposure to specific cryptocurrencies. In this case, we're talking about XRP. Now, if you're not familiar with how these trust funds work, let me give you a quick rundown. Grayscale's XRP Trust is a closed-end fund, meaning that it holds only XRP and gives accredited investors the chance to gain direct exposure to the asset without having to buy it themselves. Think of it like an investment vehicle for XRP, specifically tailored for large institutional players or wealthy individuals who may want to diversify their portfolios with some XRP. But wait, there's more. Grayscale also revealed that they have plans to convert this XRP trust into a spot ETF in the future. This is big news as it could pave the way for even more investors to get involved with XRP. If Grayscale can successfully transition the trust into an ETF, it would open the floodgates for much broader participation, both from retail and institutional investors alike. Now, of course, with news this big, it didn't take long for reactions to start pouring in, especially from the top voices in the XRP community. And one of the most notable reactions came from none other than Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse himself. He took to Twitter to share his thoughts on the launch of Grayscale's XRP Trust, and let me tell you, he was excited. Garlinghouse expressed his surprise at the news, but also pointed out that he wasn't entirely caught off guard. In his tweet, he said that this move by Grayscale was inevitable and that the groundwork for XRP's growth has already been laid out, especially now that the cryptocurrency has achieved regulatory clarity in the US and in other countries. According to Garlinghouse, XRP has already secured a strong foundation, and now it's just a matter of time before the ecosystem starts to take off. He believes that the launch of Grayscale's XRP Trust is just the beginning of something much bigger, and to be honest, I think a lot of us would agree. Garlinghouse is hinting that we could be on the brink of seeing XRP being adopted on a much larger scale, both in terms of price growth and its use cases within the broader crypto market. To understand why Garlinghouse is so optimistic, we need to take a step back and look at some of the events that have shaped XRP's journey over the past year. One of the biggest moments for XRP was when U.S. District Judge Elisa Torres issued a landmark ruling that provided the legal clarity XRP needed. In that ruling, Judge Torres declared that XRP is not inherently a security, which was a huge blow to the SEC's case against Ripple. Now, this ruling was a game changer. It allowed XRP to start gaining widespread adoption again, particularly in the US, where many exchanges had delisted the token due to regulatory uncertainty. But after Judge Torres' ruling, several major exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance Us relisted XRP, allowing millions of traders and investors to buy, sell, and trade the token once again. This is a major factor in why XRP has seen renewed interest from both retail and institutional investors. The legal clarity has given people confidence in XRP's future, and with Grayscale now launching an XRP trust, it's clear that the momentum is continuing to build. Now, one of the most exciting things about the launch of Grayscale's XRP trust is that the company has made it clear that they plan to convert the trust into a spot ETF down the line. For those of you who might not be familiar with ETFs, let me explain why this is such a big deal. An ETF, or exchange traded fund, allows people to invest in an asset like XRP without actually having to own it. It's a financial product that's traded on the stock exchange just like a stock or a bond, and it offers investors exposure to the underlying asset. In the crypto world, ETFs are considered a major step toward mainstream adoption because they make it easier for large institutional investors to participate. Earlier this year, Grayscale successfully converted its Bitcoin trust into a Bitcoin ETF, and shortly after that, it did the same with its Ethereum trust. So now the question is, will they be able to do the same for XRP? Of course, there's still a bit of uncertainty here. The SEC has to approve any new ETFs, and given the history of legal battles between Ripple and the SEC, some people are concerned that this could delay or complicate things. But here's the good news. Judge Torres' ruling brought the case between Ripple and the SEC to a close at the district court level. Unless the SEC files an appeal within the next few weeks, this case could officially come to an end, which would improve the chances of an XRP ETF being approved. So what does all of this mean for XRP and its future? Well, to put it simply, things are looking bright. With Grayscale launching the XRP trust and working toward an ETF, we're seeing more and more evidence that institutional interest in XRP is growing. And as Brad Garlinghouse said, it's only a matter of time before this space grows even more. The regulatory clarity in the US and other countries is setting the stage for XRP to become a key player in the global financial system. That's it for today's update, folks. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and smash that like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more people. Also, drop a comment below with your thoughts on Grayscale's XRP trust and the possibility of an XRP ETF. I'd love to hear what you think. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, and I don't want you to miss out. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. All right, fellas, until next time, keep exploring, stay safe out there in the market, and let's continue pushing forward in this exciting world of crypto. See you soon.